Say hello to the freshly updated Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek, perfect for the urban adventure. Its trim and modern 5-door body style is built on Subaru's famous symmetrical all-wheel drive. This subcompact crossover can handle whatever city streets or country roads can dish out with its 220 millimeters of ground clearance that lets you go anywhere. From the redesigned front end to the distinctive wheels and wide-opening rear hatch, the Crosstrek expresses individuality while being highly versatile. There should be no compromises when it comes to your well-being. Subaru has engineered the Crosstrek with award-winning safety features and technology that you might expect to find in a luxury car. Along with the superior traction of full-time all-wheel drive, every Crosstrek comes standard with a backup camera. The technology package adds the industry-leading accident avoidance system EyeSight. It's like an extra set of eyes looking out for you on the road and provides even higher levels of safety. Subaru engineers have achieved a balance that some manufacturers find impossible to match. Crosstrek's Boxer engine is both responsive and fuel-efficient. In fact, every Crosstrek is PZEV equipped, which means that they're the cleanest running gasoline-powered cars available. You can feel good when you're out in your Crosstrek. The trim and muscular body looks good from any angle. The interior is packed with quality features designed to make your driving experience more enjoyable. A high seating position for good visibility, soft touch materials throughout, sporty orange accent stitching on the upholstery, plenty of storage options for day-to-day items, a flat folding 60/40 split rear seat and wide opening hatch. The quiet cabin is the perfect place to listen to your music through the touchscreen infotainment system. Stay connected with hands-free Bluetooth and have customizable options like Starlink and Siri Eyes Free. Whether you're exploring new neighborhoods or headed off the beaten path, the Subaru Crosstrek is your adventuring partner.